While most of the parents think that allowing their children to participate in an extracurricular activity may hamper academic growth, the reality is far from the fact. The participation in extracurricular activity actually helps the child move academically. With extracurricular activities, children involved in activities they enjoy and thus take a positive impact on their brain functioning. The joy of participation improves their concentration power as well as enhance their management skills. By striking a balance between extracurricular activities and academic life, physical activities play a crucial role in a child's development process. Moreover, karate as an activity teaches children focus, confidence, and the power of strength. Overloaded students, but in fact involve them and explore their curious side. We at Humble School of Excellence have a tie-up with Young World Children magazine, and our children are boosted with energy throughout it. Here is one of our curious learners, Sayyida Sakhleen of class 7, sharing some interesting information with you. Sakhleen of class 7.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Sayyida Sakhleen from class 7. I am going to answer some questions that may sometimes make us curious. What are our bones made up of? The bones in our body are mostly made up of collagen that provides a soft framework and calcium phosphate that adds strength. The combination of collagen and calcium makes the bone strong and flexible enough to withstand threat. Now let us move to next question, that is, why does the heart beat fast when we run fast? The increased demand for energy and strength increases the heart rate and the beating rate, and so increases the blood flow to the muscles, so the heart beats faster. Now next question is, how do underwater plants breathe? Plants that live underwater such as seagrasses take in carbon dioxide from the water. Some of these plants supplement their carbon dioxide intake by extending a few leaves to the surface. Now let us move to the next question. Why do women's tears salty? The salinity of tears is attributed to the presence of salts of sodium and potassium. Next question is, why do stars twinkle? On a clear night, our eyes can see around blue stars in the sky. They seem to twinkle. The movement of air in the atmosphere causes the earth to reflect light as it travels from the distant star through atmosphere down towards the north. Now let us move to next question, that is, why roosters crow in the morning? Roosters crow because they have an internal clock that helps them to anticipate sunrises. The cycle of day and night, roosters anticipate sunrise to get ahead, start on their daily hunt for food or defense of territory. Now let us move to next question, that is, how does soap make bubbles? The molecules in soap have two different cells, one that attracts water and one that repels. When soap mixes with water, molecules hold between themselves a thin bit of water with a tiny bits of air. In other words, a bubble. Now let us move to the next question, that is, why don't our lips sweat? Our lips don't sweat because they don't contain any sweat glands. Sweat glands are responsible for producing hydrolipidic substance which keeps skin hydrated. Now let us move to the last question, that is, why do our ears pain when we are traveling in hilly regions? The air pressure outside the human body changes as attitude changes. This creates a difference in pressure, or this creates a difference in pressure, or this creates a difference in pressure of the two sides of the eardrum, causing you to feel some pressure or blockage or pain as a result. Thank you for listening me for patiently.
While most of the parents think that allowing their children to participate in an extracurricular activity may hamper academic growth, the reality is far from the fact. The participation in extracurricular activity actually helps the child move academically. With extracurricular activities, children involved in activities they enjoy and thus take a positive impact on their brain functioning. The joy of the participation improves their concentration power as well as enhances their management skills by striking a balance between extracurricular activities and academic life.